In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the online library databases link found on the D2L course homepage. The online library database will give you access to academic peer-reviewed journals as well as periodicals. So go ahead and start by clicking the link here. This is going to open up the FRCC online learning homepage for the academic journal databases. Now, if you do have any questions or concerns about accessing, please contact this information here. In addition, you'll see a link here that says articles and databases. We're going to go ahead and click on that. Once you do that, it's going to ask you for your username and password. I've already entered mine in, so it's taking me straight to the database itself. At this point, you have a variety of databases that you can choose from. For economics and business, I typically find that the first two tend to be very helpful, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Academic Search Premier. If I do that, it opens up this search field with a few options, and we're going to go ahead and do some sample searches. Now, there's a couple checkboxes here to note. One says full text, and the other one says scholarly peer-reviewed journals. I'm going to start by just selecting full text to make sure that the search result does have the full text of the article. I'm going to start by searching a macroeconomics topic, and maybe I'm looking for some information about unemployment and inflation. And I'm going to go ahead and click search. So as you can see, we have quite a lot of results here. We might want to narrow this down a little bit. So from the drop-down menu here, I can search by, well, if I had an author's name, I could do that. Or I could maybe just say, I want unemployment and inflation to be in the title. So go ahead and research. And here I have 31 results, much more manageable size. Now we have two options that have of these results that have appeared. One says periodical and one says academic journal. Now the periodical, although makes great supplementary research and can be very helpful for you, is not considered of course an academic journal, which is a peer-reviewed credible research document that you can use. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and say, well, maybe I want to just use the academic journal. I already have enough information about this topic. I've gone through maybe some newspaper articles or other periodicals, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this link. Upon doing so, it gives me some summary information, abstract, and other information about this paper. I have some options here on the right hand side, which I'm going to talk about shortly, and I also have a download of the PDF text itself, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So after that's finished downloading, there's a couple other options that we have. One, we could download the entire PDF here, save that to our computer, and use that at a future date. Some other options that you have here that can be very helpful are on the right hand side. We can print, I can email this, and this other option, one down here, is to cite. So this becomes really helpful when generating a reference section for your paper. So I'm just going to click on Cite right now. As you can see, it opens up a separate dialog box here that gives me the exact citation for AMA, APA, Chicago style, MLA. So here, this paper, this journal article has now been cited for us. I can copy and paste this. I can email this to myself. I can export the bibliography. So this becomes a really helpful tool for you when writing your research paper. So I hope that this has been helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions.